I can't wait till Bomber gets back. Well, he's been gone for a long time.
Mean. Guys, you mean?
Wait. Hey, guys. Hey, Bomber. Hey, Big Bomber. Hey, Big Bombers, bro. Hey, Bombers, bro. Whatever. What's his problem? Oh, he's in a bad mood. Why? He had a job, but then he got fired because he put the paper in the wrong. He put it in the shredder, and he was supposed to put it in a folder because he has bad hearing. Oh. I just don't want to do this anymore. My job sucked. I just want to sit here and do nothing. Attack! Oh. Attack! Attack! Wait, no attack. You guard. You four guard him and make sure nothing goes wrong. I'm gonna go report this to the birds. What do you want, King Pig? Whoa. Yeah, we don't like you, King Pig. So get out of our place, or we'll attack. Yeah, we're not afraid to attack. I am not. I stole your big bro Bombird, and if you five want to get him, then Bombird has to come alone. As if he brings anyone, I'll kill the person who he brings. Okay, I'll go alone. Okay, see ya. Man, I didn't go to the right place. Yee. Ow. We've got to save Big Bro.
What? Ow.
Who are you?
Who are you?
We're Angry Birds. I'm Redbird.
I'm me.
He's Yellowbird. Hi.
Me.
It's not your turn.
Me.
Lightbird. Gold. And Bombird. Hi.
Oh, can I help you on your adventure?
Sure. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Weep. Ow. I'm next. Weep. Oh. Oh.
Ow, me.
I'm coming too. Weep. Oh, I landed in pig domain. Yeah, get up. I told all of you had to stay there. Now I'm gonna have to kill you. No, you're not. Oh, that hurt. Ow. Ow. Oh, you're so cool. Yeah. Censored. Oh, that hurt. Oh. We're all gonna watch. And if y'all move an inch, then we'll kill you. We'll kill you all. Okay, we won't move. That includes your mouth.
Yeah, man. So just keep quiet.
Who's your fat-headed friend?
Hey, I'm not fat.
We didn't say you were fat. We called your head fat.
That still counts as fat.
Okay, change the subject. We want your eggs. No. Build me a new house. Why? We've never done anything to you. You've always done horrible stuff to us. So why would we do anything for you? That's a good point. Okay, we won't steal your eggs unless you build us a house.
We can't,
Tweety Bird, you have to too.
Why?
You're a bird.
I'm a canary.
Oh. Okay, then you can get out of here.
Okay. Wee! Ow! That hurt.
Who cares?
I heard that.
Okay. Yeah. Psh, ow. Psh, 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 ow, 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 ow. Come on, get out. Psh, ow. Yo, talk dog, you idiot. Hey, you go and talk to my brother like that. What? Oh, oh. You too. Psh, ow. Sorry. You go. Go beat Mustachio up. Hi, my name is Mustachio. Oh yeah, actually it is. Yo, no. Psh, ow. You too, fatty. Hey, I'm not fat. Don't come fat. Oh, brother. Psh, oh, that hurt.
Ow!
You two are next. King Pig, I'll save you for last. Ow. Okay. Send sword. Ow, 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 ah, ow, ah. Ow, ah, ow, ah. Oh, I've hired Miss Piggy here to keep eyes on you 24/7, 365 days until you die. Why? 'Cause we don't want you causing any more trouble. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Ow.